You know, 60 years ago, when I worked on this palm, I originally started using the classic palm, not the classic palm, but the thumb palm, clip it to my fingers and bring it into this position. I started using the thumb crotch, or what I call the crimp palm, same thing, into this position here, here. Then I found out just by sliding along the fingers, it'll go right into the palm. And this is written up in some books. But you won't see this. I bounce a coin and throw it right into the palm. I throw it into the palm. This is how I'm able to do it. I can do it with any size coin. Doesn't matter what the coin is, it gets slid in. Even a poker chip gets slid in. This is my crimping technique that I teach. I'm showing you what it is. And also, you heard of the muscle pass. Well, this is do you see it go? From the palm, from the crimp. I call it my squirting technique. There it is. And it's more powerful, really, from a closed hand. A closed fist, and the coin gets shot out. You won't find that anyplace. This is example, typical examples that it's my crimping technique, and you